Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Who is here for the first time? Let me introduce myself. My name is Sofia and my surname is Varich, and I'm teaching Chinese and programming. In previous lessons we learned about special words in Chinese for math and for programming, and you can check previous lessons on my channel. And now we will continue to learn these words. Our first word today is 计数的. 计数的 means odd. So you can say, for example, 数字11是奇数的一个例子. The number 11 is an example of an odd number. 偶数的 even. 数字8是偶数的一个例子. The number 8 is an example of an even number. 偶数的 even. 加法 plus 2加3为5. 2 plus 3 equal 5. 减法 minus 8减1为7. 8 minus 1 is 7. 乘法 times 3乘以3为9. 3 times 3 is 9. 除以10除以2等于5. 除以 divide. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10除以2等于5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 等于 equal. 5加5等于10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 小数点 point 1.03 1.03. 差 reminder 14除以3的话上14余数13. If you divide 14 by 3, the quotient is 4 with a remainder of 3. 公式 formula. 你知道球球体的体积的公式吗? Do you know the formula for the volume of a sphere? 1/4 force 单被转换为一个分数百分之75变得3/4. When converted into a fraction, 75% becomes 3/4. So guys, I think that's all for today. So remember these words that we learned and use them. Don't forget to write some comments with these words. Try to type yourself these sentences and write them down in your notebook, and also write down them in the comments so you would remember them twice. You can also talk to me in the comments and I would reply to you as soon as possible, so you can practice and improve your Chinese level. Guys, you should subscribe my channel, put thumbs up and write comments down, and share this video with your friends and with people who might need this knowledge, who maybe would go to China or who are already studying Chinese maybe working as a translator, this knowledge would be very useful for them.